Let's look at the solution to Chapter 9, Practice Problems number 5. Use the binomial theorem to give the expansion of begin parentheses 2x minus 3y end parentheses to the third power. Now, you could actually take this binomial, 2x minus 3y, and write it as a factor 3 times, and then use FOIL to simplify the first two multiplied together, and then multiply whatever you got there times the last factor. But there's a simpler way to do this. It's kind of a shortcut. I know it might not look that way in terms of the notation, but it's a lot simpler than going through that whole process. So how you do this is you're going to take the sum, again from k to 0 to 3, of the combination 3, choose k, and then you're going to take the first term, 2x, to the 3 minus k, and then you're going to multiply that times the second term. Now notice this is minus 3y, so I'm basically using the idea that this value, this 3y, is actually negative, plus negative 3y, or negative 3 times y. So that's how we get this negative 3y here. And then that exponent is going to be k. So how do we actually work this out? We just find each of these terms and then take a sum. So the first value for k is 0. 3, choose 0. And then the next value is 2x to the 3 minus 0. And then we have negative 3y to the 0. And we're going to do that for each one of these. Again, next k becomes 1, so then we're going to replace all the k's with 1s. And then we're going to replace all the k's with 2s to get this term. And then finally, we've reached the 3, which is the last one. And then it's a matter of simplifying. 3 choose 0 is going to be 1. And 3 choose 1 is going to be 3, and then 3 choose 2, is going to be 3, and 3 choose 3 is going to be 1. Notice that it goes 1, 3, 3, 1, and mirrors across those values. And then it's a matter of just simplifying this. You have 2x to the third, and then you have this 2x squared minus 3y to the first. There's a little bit of algebra that's involved here. Kind of follow that. We have this whole expression from that simplification, and then basically, when you have 2x to the third, that's 2x times 2x times 2x, which is going to be 8x cubed. Again, this is just all algebra. Simplified all the way down here to this step, and then simplified a little bit further. Remember, whenever we have algebra, we put the coefficients out in front. Make sure you have the correct sign. Double check those as you go through these steps. Instead of plus negative 27y cubed here at the end, I just put minus 27y cubed, but I would accept plus negative 27y cubed. So this is what the answer should be: 8x cubed minus 36x squared y plus 54x y squared minus 27y cubed. And again, look at the x's. The exponent of x goes from 3 to 2 to 1, and then it disappears because x to the 0 is going to equal 1. And similarly with the y, it's y to the 0, which is equal to 1, therefore it's not there. Then you have y to the first, y to the second, and y to the third.